Well, just to remind you what I'm doing here. This is what I'm working on. This is off of Simplicity. I think it's called a 6714, I think. I'll have to look that up. Don't quote me on that one. What I'm doing is rebuilding. I'm going to rebuild these things right here. This over. Gotta get in the habit. Okay. Now my finger's out of your way. Okay. This is what I'm rebuilding, one of these. I've taken one out to see if I can find some parts for it. I did order some bearings. I got them in. So now I'm going to attempt to put new bearings. One of these was in that. So I only took one apart. That way I got it for a guide. I mean, it's not like I'm going to work on these every day. I also got a new belt for it. This belt, my God, I don't know how old that belt is. So I'm going to attempt to do that. I'm looking at it right now to see how it was put together. It's been a few weeks since I took it apart. And thanks for all of them. This is it all torn apart. See, that had a grease zerk on it. See that? Right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean these out. And when you pump grease in here, basically you're filling this whole cavity up with grease. There's no way it's going to get on that top bearing. So all the bearings I got are seal bearings. Okay, it cost $37 with tax. 22 SKL lawn bearing, blah, 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 blah. Pack of 6. 230-033. Okay, open one of these packages, so we'll see if I can see what it is. So 17, that's this one. That doesn't mean they're all the same. I'm going to go under there and see if they're all the same. So that's where we're at, guys. I'm going to order some new blades, and then I'm going to come out and put new bearings in these. Put them all back together except for the blades. That'll be an all-time job. It'll be all my day job. And then some. I like to take breaks. It's one of my new bearings. You see it there? Alright. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to pry out the seal. See this? That just keeps the dirt out of here. But I want this to be in the bottom of this. In here like this. See? So that when I pump grease in there, it'll actually get down in that bearing. See it right in there? When I can see it, I think you can see it. It's nice and smooth. And the bearings can get grease. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that. Put some new bearings in it. You saw how they go. They just one presses in here, one presses in here, and this one presses from the inside. Actually, they both do. One goes that way, one goes that way. And the parts that are facing this part, I take the seal off. Yeah. I'll tear that apart. I'm going to make a mark so I don't have to keep finding that same spot where they all line up. Hopefully I'll make it deep enough this time that I won't wash it off. Alright, I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm going to try to get this to come up over the top of that. So I'm going to put it on a fork like this, and hit this and try to drive it out. Only I'm going to do it with my vise. It's a vise just barely bigger than the shaft. Put that baby in there like that. They sell these, I think they call them control arm separators or something like that. They're handy to have around if you're going to do stuff like this. I can't really get it to swing. I don't think I budged it. I really hate beating on it. Try it over here if I can get a better swing at it. I'll turn this over. I don't know, something like that. I'm going to whack the hell out of it. Get my light out of the way. Oh boy. I don't know. I hope it came apart the right way. It went flying. Well, here. I think it's all right. The bearings sit on there and sit on there. You can be rougher with the old bearings than you can new ones. So I'm going to clean this all up, put it back together. Okay, so if I'm looking straight down on this, I'm a blade of grass. Oops. I'm coming along here, boom, boom. I get caught here and I get cut there. If these were all lined up, there would always be a spot that left a streak. So if you start leaving streaks in your yard, you probably wore your ends of your blades clear off and you're missing a spot. That's why they offset these things.